Yo, hey, you are on YouTube. This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this trimmer. Got no name, no brand, I guess. Okay, I don't know. Let's open it up, man. See that? Maybe the brand name is written here. Okay, no, but the model number 7188. Okay, but on their website it's written got I guess 7,200 RPM or something like that. Can't really remember, but I'm gonna put something here on the screen so you can see and you can read by yourself. So got a little brush and 3 guides. Okay, and nothing else, no manual, nothing. Okay, so it's really strange. So got USB Type-C charging, which is good, and here it's written something. Okay, and it's not sharp at all. Okay, you cannot zero gap it. It feels really good on the hand, really good. So when I was buying it, I thought I'm gonna put Stylecraft precision blade on it. I thought the holes would fit. I tried it, it doesn't fit. And these holes fit Babyliss Skeleton FX. These holes. Okay,